Hello, Mom. This is your son, Andrew. Holding my microphone, so yeah, it's kind of sloppy, but who cares? Well, today is February 4th, 2015, and it is your birthday. So I just wanted to tell you happy birthday because I know I'm at school right now. I have classes all day, and I'm not able to come see you today. But like I said, we will celebrate this weekend. So I just wanted to let you know that I love you, and happy birthday, Mom. I wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be the person I am today without you. So I just want to thank you, even though it's your birthday. I'm thanking you. I don't know if that's weird or not, but I love you, Mom. I will see you soon. This is what I had in mind for telling you happy birthday. This is better than, I don't know. Consider this your birthday card in video form. So I love you, Mom. Happy birthday. I will see you on Saturday.